Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Opari. Hope you're doing great. And guys, have you ever wondered how you can elevate your data entry career to new heights? Well, the key lies in enhancing your skills. And when I say enhancing, I don't mean putting in more effort. I mean utilizing cutting edge tools and technologies. You can use these tools to gain a powerful advantage over your competitors, whether you're aiming to reduce errors, fasten up the slow processes, or simply boost your overall efficiency. There are smart solutions out there that can make a real difference. So stick with me until the end and I'll share some tips, tricks and tools, all designed to make your data entry game top notch. And guys, by any chance, if you're really interested in my preferred way to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home, just making use of your computer and internet connection, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description, get registered and watch the presentation. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. Just imagine guys, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and make money in dollars just by creating these sorts of automated systems as you can see on the screen, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? Now let's get started with today's video. You know, the best part of today's video, you don't have to be a tech wizard. In fact, you don't need to learn how to code or become a programmer. The tools I'll introduce today are incredibly user-friendly, but why is data entry such a sought after skill on freelancing platforms? Well, platforms like freelancer.com list it among the top 5 jobs categories and nearly 17,000 data entry jobs found on Upwork. And when you compare with Fiverr, you'll be coming across people posting their gigs for around $10 to $20 on easy tasks. And guys, if you are a beginner and would like to work on data entry, these 3 platforms are more than enough to get started. You know, you can make 100, not even like thousands of dollars by making use of these platforms. And also I'm about to show you what tools and technology you need to use to make your work really very easy. So if you want to specialize in high demand field, data entry is an excellent choice, as I said. And now let's dive into some tools and techniques that can make your journey very smoother. Now let's talk about AI tools. They can be a game changer if you used it correctly. However, it's essential to know that they cannot replace the value of human skills. You know, AI is here to enhance your skills, not replace them. Your creativity, intuition, and experience matter the most. So don't let the hype around AI distract you from honing your essential skills. You know, data entry involves various roles from typing and coding to transcribing and verifying electronic data. It might sound straightforward, but in reality, it's a multifaceted job with diverse tasks like converting images to PDFs or creating investors list. Now, let's explore some tools that can make your data entry tasks a breeze. First up, Excel Formula Builder, which is nothing but formula board. Think of it as ChatGPT for Excel. It can transform your text instructions into Excel formulas within seconds. And the best part, it's entirely free. This tool can make you highly proficient in Excel, helping you work faster and smarter, even on complex problems. Okay, it's suitable for both Excel and Google Sheets, and you can even ask it to generate and explain formulas. Now on to web scraping. Browsec.ai is a paid tool that doesn't require knowledge of Python or JavaScript, and making it an excellent option for freelancers who need to collect data on monitor specific information. Another tool is Bardene.ai, a free option for both scraping and automation. It's perfect for integrating and automating your favorite applications, creating competitor analysis or extracting keywords and summaries from any website. OCR tools or optical character recognition are essential for digitizing text from documents, images, or handwritten notes. Adobe Acrobat Reader is a popular choice for PDFs, allowing you to convert documents or images into editable and searchable text. For smaller OCR tasks, you can make use of Google Keep, and it is a free and handy tool that automatically recognizes text from images. Automation is a key to saving time and increasing productivity. Bardene.ai is a powerful no-code automation tool that allows you to extract data and send it directly to your preferred apps without any coding required. It's perfect for automating repetitive tasks like copying and pasting data from websites. Another tool worth mentioning is Jitbit Macro Recorder. It's a reliable tool that records your desktop actions, including mouse movements, clicks, and keystrokes. You can then use these recordings to automate various data entry tasks, streamlining your workflow. It's simple, effective, and help reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks. Moving on to transcription tools, Rev.com is a popular and reliable service specializing in audio transcription. They also offer video captioning, subtitles, and translation services. With a team of professional transcribers, you can trust them to handle a wide range of file types and subjects, ensuring accurate and high quality transcriptions. Another excellent transcription tool is Otter.ai, which supports both audio and video transcription. And for a bonus tip, guys, check out Future Tools, a website that gathers various AI tools into categories. Whether you're looking for tools related to self-improvement, inspiration, marketing, or motion capture, or it can be any specific task, Future Tools has you covered. These tools are here to assist, not to replace you. And guys, as I promised, I would also like to give away a bonus worth thousands of dollars. As you can see on the screen, the first program is called the Launchpad Secrets, and this program would be helping you to start your affiliate marketing journey. And finally, you'll be coming to know how to make or how to earn your first $1,000 as an affiliate with the help of Launchpad Secrets. And the second program is called Get More YouTube Views Organically. This program is helping you to grow on YouTube, start a YouTube channel, get views, and also include affiliate marketing to earn more money. Okay, and the third program is the Stasho method, and this is a no-brainer, guys. This is my own program and I'm selling it on Digistore 24 for $97. And this program would be helping individuals to start a dietary supplement business without any inventory or without any product. Okay, there are simple steps you need to follow. Then after, you are ready to move with selling dietary supplements. And the last program is 7 ways to get your 5 clients. This is best suited for freelancers and agencies who like to start an agency. Then this program is very good fit for them. They can get their first client and make a deal of $1,000 or even more. They can get their first client and make a deal of $1,000 or even more. For more details or to get access to this bonus, then you can please visit the second link in the description. Get registered. Watch the complete 2 hours presentation. Then after, our team would be sending you with an access to this complete bundle. You'll come to know how to get access. Everything would be mentioned in that email. So don't miss this opportunity. And there you have it, guys, a toolkit of incredible resources to supercharge your data entry career. Whether it's mastering Excel with Formula Builder, scrapping data effortlessly with Browsec.ai and Bardene.ai, or automating tasks using Jitbit Macro Recorder or Bardene.ai, these tools are designed to make your life easier and more efficient. Remember, AI is here to complement your skills, not replace them. So don't forget to keep honing your creativity, intuition, and experience. Data entry might seem straightforward, but it's a diverse field with endless possibilities. If you found these tips and tools helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. And if you want more content on boosting your career and mastering new skills, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Your support keeps this channel going, and I don't want you to miss on any future insights and tools that can elevate your professional journey. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, these tools are your allies in the world of data entry. So stay efficient, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.